Is your KYC approved but your wallet still shows zero? Can't transfer your Pi? Wallet activation stuck? Don't worry. We solve over 20 real user problems, step by step. Welcome to Pi Network course. Millions are mining Pi, but how many truly understand how it works? This course takes you beyond the basics, from blockchain fundamentals to mobile mining, from wallet setup to the most complex KYC issues. Discover the expanding Pi ecosystem, from dApps and Pi domains to the potential of the Pi Ventures Fund. Wallets, KYC, migration, security, and advanced strategies, all in one place. Stop being just a miner. Become a true Pi network leader. Join now on Udemy, free preview lessons available. Start learning today and lead the Pi revolution. Find the course link and discount code in the description below. The first 100 learners get early access with a 90% discount. Don't miss out.